Hello and welcome to another Adventure of Ellie video. So today I'm going to be unboxing some items from the website and app Temu. This is my first time using Temu. Temu is basically like AliExpress or Wish, basically items from China. The items I got all arrived within about 5 days, which is pretty quick. They use Every as the delivery service. The whole time after I ordered the items, I got regular updates on tracking. Really good. I got updated all the time. What stirred me to use it is I got some coupon codes off another YouTube video, and then going onto the website, checking it out, just seeing loads of different things which I can use to jazz up my Nissan Elgrand Ellie. So let's just go and have a little look at what we got then.
So let's see what's in my first Temu packet. What have we got? Right, and let me add this one handed, so I'm going to come back in a second. So I've got the package open now. Let's see what we got. So let's start with these. So these are some new anime seatbelt covers for Ellie. Which look really, really cool. Should have 2 of those in there. Again, this is just package 1, so I've got some more packages coming. I will have 4 of these in total, should have. But these are the first couple. It's got like a really cool anime design. Pretty awesome. I have. This is a big like Japanese design mouse mat. So it should have a mountain on here and the Japanese flag somewhere on there. I was thinking this could go across the dashboard, but I don't know if that'll work out or not. So we'll have a look at that when I come around to fit it into the into Ellie. We also have. This is a little like Japanese fidget game. It's a bit like whack-a-mole, so these light up and you have to hit them as they light up. Pretty cool. This is just a new cap. Just got like a dragon on the side. Pretty cool. Not sure what that is. I think that might be 1 pair black. That's a pair of earplugs for when I'm camping. So when I'm camping in Ellie, sometimes it can be a little bit noisy if I'm parked on a car park. So I'll run some earplugs, just keep the noise down while I talk and sleep. Pretty cool. These are some new caps for my tyres. They've got cool little Japanese writing on them. They're pretty awesome. This in here, again, I'll show you these properly once they're fitted to the vehicle, but this is a little anime character to go onto. I was going to put on top of the front screen. It's like an anime character holding a samurai sword. Again, I'll show you once it's fits onto the vehicle. Then, there should be a couple more items. Yep. This is just a little tracker if you lose your keys. This sticks onto anywhere really, but it's like a cable tidy. Because now at the back of Ellie, I've got a lot of cables hanging around because I've got my Amazon Fire Stick in the back, which controls the CarPlay at the front or the mirror screening. So I've got that in the back, and I've also got, for my LED lights are in there now, I've got all those wires trailing towards the back. So I just wanted something to tidy it up, so that's going to clip to the back or stick to the back, and I can put the wires into there to keep those tidy. And then this is just a storage bag. It's opened up as a storage bag. So I was thinking I can put that to the back of Ellie, put some bits and bobs in to keep everything neat and tidy. So that is my first Temu order. Again, I've got some more packages coming. Just to recap of what I got. So I've got a storage bag. I've got the clip to go for the wires. I've got a little anime character, which I've got built up. I've got some earplugs. I got the tyre caps. I got a new hat. I got a fidget game. I've got these cool anime seatbelt covers. 2 of those. And the Japanese mat. So, Temu parcel number 2. I've pre-opened it just to make things a bit easier. So the first thing that's in here is this, which is a seat cover pad. I've got one already on my driver's side, but I want one for the passenger side. In here, there's a few more goodies. So I have 2 more seat pads for the front seats now, because I've put the other 2 in the back seats, which you'll see when I show you around Ellie. I've got this, which is like a Lucky Cat lanyard. I've just bought a Pokemon card from Japan, so I'm going to put that inside there and have that hanging off the gear stick. And I've also got a air freshener, Lucky Cat air freshener. I think that's called the Fortune Cat, that one. So that's package number 2. Okay, and package number 3. So this should be the most exciting one. Let's see what's inside again. I've pre-opened it to make it a little bit easier. So we have some seat cushions for the back seats. Should be 4 of these. So 1, 2, 3. So 1 more in there. 4. Cool. So they're pretty awesome. What else do we have? Okay, I have a CarPlay screen. Obviously, it's got navigation in the Elgrand, but it's all in Japanese, and it doesn't work over this country. So this will allow me to mirror my phone to a screen. So this is the 7-inch version. The good thing with Temu is I got some tokens when I signed up, which I'll give you a code as well, so you'll be able to get some coupon codes as well, some coupon discounts at the end, which you can use as well. So I actually got this for £32. I think it was on there for £60 normally, so I got a decent discount on it. So that's pretty cool. Excited to use that. Just a quick look at the specs there. Cool. And then the final thing I got in here is another one of these. I've put the other one of these on the back, where you back handle, hold on handle. So it looks a bit odd with just the one side with it on, so I've got one for the other side as well. It's actually pretty cool. I kind of got a bit addicted to the other one. I was playing for a good while the other day. Pretty awesome. So we're out to Ellie now. Let's have a little look and see some of the things inside the van. As you can see on the dashboard now, I've got that mouse mat. It looks pretty cool. So as we come round, some of the bits I already had in here, like the show plate, but if I open up, the sun's just going down, so sorry if it's a bit bright, but I have a screen attached, which is really cool. Allows all CarPlay for Apple or Android Auto. It's great because I can have the maps on there, and you can also have a split screen with your radio or Spotify, Amazon Music, or whatever music service you use. It's really cool. I've attached it next to the original screen. I had it up there originally, but it was blocking the windscreen quite a bit, so I decided to move it from there. It's attached. Under here, there's a bit of a groove, and it comes with this plate behind. So I've pushed that up there, and it's resting down here, but it's clamped itself on quite tight. So I'm going to see how that holds. If not, I'll try and mount it somewhere different. But yes, that looks pretty cool. Here is the little anime figure, which is just resting on top of the screen. There's the mat. Sorry if I forgot anything. I'm trying to remember everything I ordered from Temu. But the Japanese Pokemon card I got from eBay, and then this is that Lucky Cat holder for the card holder with the lanyard. So that's just hanging off my phone holder up there. Pretty cool. As you can see over there, those are my anime seatbelt covers. I've got those on all of the first 2 rows of seats. And then this is the seat cover. I actually prefer this because I did have one before. That one's from AliExpress. This one's much better quality from Temu. So I'm going to order another one of these. So, if we just have a look in through the back door. Again, more of these. Look, cat was already in here.
magazine was already in here, but I've got these new cushions. These from Temu. Those are on these back 2 rows of seats over there, and these ones. What else have I got? Those 2 things there. So that's my little game, like the whack-a-mole, and then a fortune cat. I think that was everything from Temu that I can remember anyway. But yeah, it's all pretty cool stuff. So my first time using Temu has actually been really, really good. Everything's arrived within 5 days. Everything so far has worked and has been pretty good quality for the price you pay for the stuff. As I said, the coupons have helped, especially with the CarPlay screen, which was, I think, originally $58.99. I've got that down to about $32, I think it was. Everything was free postage. It was with Every. I think that's part of Hermes. But yeah, everything got tracking updates all the time. So when it went onto the plane in China, when it landed in the UK, to when it was delivered, it was tracked right the way through. I will definitely be using Temu again. If you would like to order some stuff off Temu, I've put some links in the description. The one will get you the £100 of coupons, and I think the other code will get you 50% off your first order as well. So, highly recommend Temu. I've really enjoyed using it. I've got a lot of cool stuff now in me, Ellie, and I'll definitely be using it again in the future.